Exactly my point. Nines. We need a queen here. Bottles in the front. Okay, good. Still need a queen. Jack, owls, something. Holy fuck, give me a queen or I'm gonna smack the shit out of you, Jacks. Holy motherfucking god, give me a motherfucking queen. Thank you. Thank you very much. Jacks? Thank you, bitch. What a boy. Imagine if lightning came. What was that? What was that? I almost had the clip, right? I said, imagine if lightning came and bang. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Lightning, please, God, lightning, 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 light. Please, 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 lightning, lightning. Oh. Nice hit, boys. Nice hit. Nice hit. Another one. Wow. Wow, if lightning hit there. Staff. We need a staff here. Lots of staffs. Let's go. $60 worth. Lightning, please. Jacks. Jacks, kings, queens. Need a queen here or some owls. Clear this. Let's go. Let's go. One more spin. Max megaways. All right. We take this. What a weird feeling to come over here and be like, let's go spin this. Let's go degen a little bit.